Okay, welcome to the podcast again. So here we will be talking about the first step, about the automation. So here, this is the baby step and the last step before actually we draft AI strategy. Okay, now AI strategy, you know about you have documented the steps, you have created systems, you have created practices, you have also created what was that? Sorry, let me rephrase it with the. I mean, I'm referring my notes. So you have documented the steps, right? You have documented the value stream. You have defined the practice. You have also defined the systems. So now you have a great understanding of how your business works, what maturity level you are in, what compliance you are supposed to comply to, what are the audit steps. So you know you will be able to segregate what are the low risk automations which you can do, be it be routine work, be it be less risk based systems. These things you can automate. This is where you would use the workflows, scripts, and other steps to take the baby step towards automation. And once you identify these steps, it's basically a long process. You have to identify the tool. For example, ServiceNow is a good tool in terms of workflow. There are many other tools. One another example is Pendo.ai, right? So these all are baby steps where you kind of work on uh, unsegregated automations, ensuring that can you actually go for AI? So here you're doing the trial and error of what works best for you, what works best for your industry, what works best for your department, what works best for your type of organization, what works best in the culture what you have, because what works best in manufacturing industry might not work good for financial industry, right? And again, financial industry in one region might have different compliance, and another region might have different compliance. So no one size fits all works anywhere, right? It's more like you'd come up with tailored solutions for automation, and you delve into less risk based activities and routine activities which you can automate in the initial step. So this is the baby step what you would be taking, which would help you come up with the AI strategy. And this is where you will start drafting the AI strategy and consider different AI tools which can help you, as simple as maybe automating the complete customer service, right? So you have documented the steps to support your product, right? You have documented the steps to support your service, right? Now, this all contributes to this particular conversational AI where you would be able to train that, right? So, this is where you would come up with AI strategy and decide what works best for you before taking the next step. With that, I end this podcast. Let's meet in the next podcast, which is about actually adopting the Gen AI. What works for you, what doesn't work for you would be determined in the AI strategy. And you are at a situation where you would start experimenting on what to utilize and where and how and what works best for you. You get in the infosec teams involved, you gauge the risk, you understand better, right? Let's meet up in the next podcast and I'll explain more on the strategy of choosing a tool and what the current tool offers as on 23rd July 2025. All right. With that, I end this podcast. Thank you.